Welcome to Jurassic World, where today we are unboxing the brand new Hot Wheels dinosaur character cars based on the new Jurassic World movie. The first car in the set is modeled after the mightiest of the dinosaurs, the iconic Tyrannosaurus Rex. The name actually translates to King of the Tyrant Lizards, which is very fitting for such a beast. Now, the T-Rex is well known for its massive thick skull full of teeth, which I think this Hot Wheels character car captures perfectly. Our second character car is my personal favorite in the series, and it's based on Blue the Velociraptor. These dinosaurs use their tail to keep their balance as they run, hunt, and jump, so it's really cool to see the racing style spoiler on the back of this vehicle, which creates downforce for handling just like the dinosaur. Number 3 in the Jurassic World set is the Triceratops, which is a herbivore, meaning it only eats plants. Now, as you can see on the character car, it's equipped with horns to protect itself from an attacking T-Rex, and the car is also a green vehicle with a pickup box in the back, probably to carry around its leafy green meals. The fourth dinosaur in this character car series is a very spiny one because this is the Stegosaurus. These dinosaurs have huge unique bone structures that turn into plates along their back and tail, but the really interesting thing about this dino is their brain size, which despite their giant body was around the size of a dog's brain. And here we have the last character car from the Jurassic World set. It's the Mosasaurus, which is designed to look like a battleship. Apparently, the Mosasaurus is not a dinosaur, but being a giant aquatic reptile, it's actually more closely related with snakes. However, the crazy thing is these bad boys could expand their jaw and swallow their prey whole with their 2 sets of teeth. Here we have our 5 Hot Wheels character cars from the brand new Jurassic World movie. If you enjoyed the dinosaur facts and would like to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited for the new movie, and I'll see you guys in my next Hot Wheels video.